What is up, everybody? It's your boy Nick Stacks, back at it again with another video. As you guys could probably tell, we have the wide angle lens, which is my GoPro, because today we're finally doing a video that everybody has been requesting and everybody's been asking for. Today we're going to be doing a video on my full bolt-on E85 tuned 350Z. We're going to be doing a POV drive video. So let's talk about the mods. First off, we pretty much have Sean Garcia VHR upper and lower ported manifolds with the VHR fuel rail. Like I said, this is Sean Garcia as Z Fever. So Z Fever ported manifolds, upper and lower. We have 3-inch RZG 3-inch intakes with AEM filters, not velocity stacks, just regular AEMs. We have 560 or 660 cc injectors. It's pretty much the E85 admin tuning kit with the 340 fuel pump, AEM 340 fuel pump. We got the PCV delete. We got ISR long tube headers connecting to a ISR Y pipe to finish it off with the Tomei single exit catback exhaust. So pretty much full bolt on. I wanted to get this video out, so let's get right into this video. Let's get on the road. I'm tuned for 93 pump gas and E85, but today we're on E85, so we're going to be running our E85 map. So bear with the startup because I'm pretty sure it's not going to crank up as good as it usually does. Never mind. What you call E85 cold start, man. E85 cold start, boys. That's how it goes now. Sound like she's dying out, but that's just how that E85 startup is now. So the car is warm, and pretty much we're gonna be running it on the E85 map right now without pops and bangs. So if you guys didn't know and you guys are gonna go get tuned, you get a couple maps. You get 93. Well, I don't know if it's different for tuners, but my tuner gave me 93 regular, 93 how I race, daily drive, whatever. No pops, no bangs, no flames. 93 pops, bangs, flames. You don't race or speed on that map because your car is pretty much not running its full potential when it's on that map. It's just for flames and pops and things like that. Then we got E85 no flames, pretty much the E85 performance and daily driving. And then we got E85 flames, pops, bangs. And then the fifth map is an anti-theft safe lock. So like if I put it on map 5, you cannot start the car, hotwire it, steal my car, nothing. So like I said, right now we're gonna enjoy the car on E85 without the pops and bangs or flames. I'm gonna do a couple pulls, show you guys how the car's running, and then after that I'll show you guys some flames. I know everybody wants to see flames, pops, bangs, you know, the popcorn tune. I'll show you guys all of that. So first things first, like I said, we're gonna be running the car without the flames and the bangs. It's just gonna be the performance and daily map. Oh, and by the way, if you guys want to switch maps, this is how you do it. Well, this is how my tuner showed me how to do it. You hold this down and you click the cancel button for whatever map you need. and then in this corner, a green light will flash. I'll show you. I need to be on map 3, which is E85 performance and tune and daily driving. So we're gonna down, 1, 2, 3. You see that set? It went 3 times. I'm gonna do it again one more time just for the hell of it. 1, 2, 3. And it flashes 3 times so you know you're on map 3. Like I said, you push this down, 1, 2, 3. All right, let's get right into the driving, man. One thing I do want to say is the gas pedal response, the shifting response, pretty much the way the car drives is 10 times better with the tune. My car's been running like shit, and ever since I got this tune, my car's been running 10 times better, man. All right, guys, it's a cooler day than the other day. I had to refinish the video because sadly my fender liners fell off and it was holding the car back. So we're gonna go do some fresh pulls with the intakes exposed. I have no bumper on, so let's see how the car does. Once again, I'm on the performance and daily driving map. I'm not on the flames and pops and bangs map, so don't expect any of that. You'll see that later on in the video. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, without the bumper, boys, she wants to eat. She wants to eat without the bumper. These intakes are exposed. Hopefully it doesn't rain, but she wants to eat. I'm here, just made it to Mexico, and I'm pretty much gonna be doing a couple pulls to show you guys pretty much how the car's reacting now. By the way, my car put down 312 on 93 baseline and 317 on 93 after tune and 330 on E85. I forgot to mention that. Second gear, let's do a 30 roll second gear. Want to eat, boys. Yeah, I can't really be sending it all the way full dash because my fucking bumper's not secured all the way. First gear, dig. Your boy missed fifth gear. All right, let's try to do a little 40 real quick before leaving this shit because the spot is hot. 40. wants to eat. All right, let me show you guys a little rolling anti-lag. I'm gonna do it real quick. All right, here we go, rolling anti-lag. Alright, we're gonna do a 30 now. Yeah, boys, she fucking eats. Oh my Jesus. Now I'm gonna show you guys the Pops and Bangs flame tune. Click that 4 times. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flashes 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4.